You're being lied to every single day. Every time you vacuum your couch, every time you use a lint roller, every time you spend money on those overpriced pet hair removal tools that stop working after 2 uses, you are being robbed. The furniture industry, the cleaning product companies, the pet care giants, they have all known about this for decades. $1. That is all it costs. 1 bottle of plain white vinegar from your local store. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it removes every single strand of pet hair from your furniture effortlessly, completely, permanently. The secret was buried in the 1950s. Big companies paid millions to make sure you never found out. Stay until the end, because the last tip is going to shock you in a way you are completely not expecting. Let me paint you a picture. You just bought a brand new sofa. It is beautiful, dark fabric, soft to the touch, perfect for your living room. Then your dog jumps on it once, just once, and suddenly, it looks like a fur coat. You get out the lint roller. You spend 20 minutes going back and forth, back and forth. You use up 3 full sheets, and when you step back and look, half the hair is still there, mocking you. So you go online and you buy that electric pet hair remover everyone is talking about. $40, $50, sometimes $80 for the fancy ones. It works okay for a week. Then the roller gets clogged, or the battery dies, or the bristles wear out, and you're back to square one. According to consumer research, the average pet owner in America spends between $200 and $400 every single year just on pet hair removal tools and products. $200 to $400, gone, just like that. And if you have a cat and a dog, double it. Some families spend close to $1,000 a year fighting pet hair. Professional upholstery cleaning, one session costs between $150 and $300, and cleaners come in, spray some mystery chemical on your furniture, use a machine you cannot afford, and charge you like you are. Getting surgery done. You call them back in 3 months because your pet never stopped shedding. They charge you again. It is a cycle, a designed, deliberate, intentional cycle to keep money flowing out of your pocket and into theirs. And the worst part, the absolute worst part, the solution has been sitting in your kitchen cabinet this entire time. You probably walked past it this morning without even knowing. Here is what they do not want you to know. Back in the late 1940s and early 1950s, housewives across rural America were using diluted white vinegar to clean everything: floors, countertops, windows, furniture. And they discovered something remarkable. When you lightly mist fabric with diluted vinegar and wipe it in one direction, pet hair clumps together and lifts right off the surface. Clean, fast, completely. This was documented in domestic science journals of the era. Home economists knew about it. Some early cleaning manuals even referenced it. But then the 1950s brought something else. The rise of the consumer cleaning product industry. Procter & Gamble, Colgate-Palmolive, dozens of smaller companies that later became giants. These companies needed you to buy things. They could not profit from vinegar. Vinegar costs almost nothing. It grows on trees. Well, almost. So they did what big corporations always do when nature offers a free solution. They funded studies that downplayed it. They lobbied advertising channels to promote their chemical sprays instead. They created a narrative that vinegar smells bad, that it ruins fabric, that it is old-fashioned, that it simply does not work on modern synthetic materials. All lies. All carefully crafted, strategically placed lies designed to protect billion-dollar product lines. They spent millions keeping this quiet. Millions. And it worked. Within one generation, most people had completely forgotten that vinegar was ever used for cleaning upholstery at all. The knowledge got buried under layers of marketing, television commercials, and magazine ads. Today, only 1% of people know this still works. And now you are one of them. What I am about to show you has been tested on velvet, microfiber, cotton blend, polyester, linen, and woven fabric. It works on all of them, and it costs about $1 per treatment, maybe less. Here's exactly what you need: white distilled vinegar, water, a spray bottle, and a rubber glove or a slightly damp microfiber cloth. That is the entire supply list. No $40 gadget, no subscription refill packs, no mystery chemical with a fragrance they call fresh linen. Just 4 things you already have. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts water in your spray bottle. Shake it gently. Now lightly mist the surface of your furniture. Do not soak it. A fine, even mist is all you need. You are not washing the couch. You are conditioning the air around the fabric, so the static charge that holds pet hair to the surface gets neutralized. That is the science they never told you. Pet hair sticks to furniture primarily because of static electricity. Your lint roller does not solve that problem. It just pulls the top layer off and leaves the rest. Vinegar disrupts the static charge completely. Now take your rubber glove and put it on, or use your slightly damp microfiber cloth, and in one smooth, consistent direction, wipe. Watch what happens. The hair clumps. It rolls. It collects into little bundles that you can just pick up and throw away. One pass. That is often all it takes. For heavily covered furniture, do 2 passes in the same direction. Then flip your cloth to a clean side and do 1 final pass. The results will genuinely surprise you. I have seen couches that looked permanently destroyed by pet hair come back looking almost brand new in under 5 minutes. 5 minutes and $1. That is what they did not want you to know. Now there are some things you need to understand to get the best results every single time. First, always test a small hidden area of your fabric first. Vinegar is safe for almost every fabric type, but every couch is different. Do a small patch on the back or underneath. Wait 2 minutes. If the color holds and the fabric feels fine, you are good to go everywhere. Second, use white distilled vinegar only. Not apple cider vinegar, not balsamic, not wine vinegar, white distilled. It is clear, it is mild, and it leaves no residue. Third, the smell. Yes, vinegar has a smell, but here's what they conveniently never mention. No, the smell completely disappears as it dries. Within 10 to 15 minutes of application, you will smell nothing. Nothing at all. The odor does not linger. It does not transfer to your clothing. It does not stay in the room. It evaporates with the moisture and takes any pet odor with it as a bonus. That is right. Vinegar also neutralizes pet smell at the same time. You're removing hair and deodorizing your furniture simultaneously. $1. 1 step. 2 problems solved. Fourth, for really deep-set hair that has been ground into the fabric over months or years, do the spray and wipe method twice. Then run a dry rubber glove over the surface in the opposite direction to lift any remaining stragglers. Fifth, this works on car seats too, your car interior, your back seat. Anywhere your pet has turned into their personal nap zone. Same mixture, same method, same results. Here is something even more powerful that almost nobody talks about. After you clean the hair off with vinegar, there is a prevention step that can dramatically reduce how much hair sticks in the future. Take a dryer sheet, just a regular unscented dryer sheet, and rub it lightly over the cleaned surface of your furniture. This deposits a very thin anti-static layer on the fabric. Pet hair lands on the surface but does not dig in, does not bind, does not weave itself into the fibers. The next time you clean, it comes off even easier. 2 weeks between deep cleanings instead of every few days. It takes 30 seconds to do. And it costs almost nothing. The furniture industry does not want you doing this either, because once your couch stops being a hair magnet, you stop needing their expensive cleaning services. You stop buying their overpriced tools. You stop the cycle. And that terrifies them. Remember, these companies are not selling you solutions. They are selling you dependency. The goal is never to solve your problem permanently. The goal is to give you something that works, just enough that you keep buying. Vinegar and a dryer sheet break that cycle completely and permanently. And now you know. Let me tell you something real. You deserve to know the truth. You deserve to not spend hundreds of dollars every year on a problem that costs $1 to solve. The fact that this information was deliberately buried, deliberately suppressed, deliberately replaced with expensive alternatives, that should make you angry. It makes me angry. Because it is not just about pet hair. It is about a system that profits from your ignorance and your helplessness. Every time you found a lint roller that did not quite work, or spray that smelled terrible and left residue, or a tool that broke within a month, that was not an accident. That was the plan. You were never supposed to find the real answer. You were just supposed to keep spending. But you found this today, you watched until now, and that changes everything for you. Share this with every pet owner you know. They deserve to know too. Your neighbor with the golden retriever, your sister with the 3 cats, your friend who just got a new puppy and is already panicking about furniture, send this to them right now, because knowledge shared is power multiplied. If you got real value from this today, hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps more people find this information who desperately need it. Subscribe if you are not already here, because next week, I'm exposing something even bigger. The hidden chemical in commercial carpet cleaners that is slowly damaging the fibers of your carpet every single time you use it. And the 2-ingredient replacement that actually makes your carpet last longer and look better. You're not going to want to miss that one. And here is your final shocking tip before you go. If your pet has a favorite spot on the couch that is completely covered in hair, before you do any of this, take an inflated balloon and rub it over that area for 30 seconds. The static from the balloon pulls up the surface layer of hair instantly, making the vinegar treatment even more effective underneath. Balloon, vinegar spray, rubber glove wipe, dryer sheet finish. That 4-step process will transform any piece of furniture in under 10 minutes for about $1 total. You're not powerless against pet hair anymore. You never were. You just did not know the secret yet. Now you do. Go take your furniture back.